Who doesn't want to walk the streets of New York or experience the vibrancy of Chicago on a vacation? This working-class Canadian couple, currently on vacation in San Diego when we caught up with them, has done it all, and in just the past year alone.
Yeah, it was raining and cold where we came from today. And here we are in the sun. It's fantastic.
So how do working class folks afford multiple vacations in pricey destinations every year? Well, here's how. They belong to travel clubs like Condominium Travel Club, which affords them greatly discounted condos and hotels all over the world. Okay, so how does Condo Travel Club get their members such great deals? The answer is in downtown Chicago. In this office, LaFate Cunningham Jr. owns Hotel Blocks, which is a company that purchases huge blocks of hotel lodgings worldwide at wholesale rates. However, the catch is Hotel Blocks can't advertise these rates to the public, and that's where Condominium Travel Club comes in.
We are nothing without the likes of a client like Condominium Travel Club. We need that constituency to make us whole. And so it's a great marriage. We want to be incremental value to Condominium Travel Club. We want to be incremental value to the hotel community. And it's been a perfect fit.
So when you're paying up to 60% less, you can afford to take another vacation in, say, Chicago or even New York. In Chicago, this is the Travel News Channel.